Hello, students. How are you all? Hope everything is great. Now, my dear students, we have started chapter 5, and in the last class, we have learned that Tansen learned music from Swami Haridas for 11 years, and again, he stayed with a holy man called Muhammad Ghaus. Again, we have also learned that he married Hussaini, one of the ladies in the court of Rani Mrigyani. These things we have learned in the last class. Today, my dear students, we will see that how Tansen he will do in his later part. Okay, let's begin by learning what are theirs. So here it is. Tansen sometimes, in the last class I told you that he sang before Emperor Akbar also, and he was so impressed. Akbar was so impressed by him, and he insisted him that he should join his court. And Tansen, later what it happened, he went to Akbar's court in 1556. He went to Akbar's court in 1556, and soon he became a very favorite of the emperor. Soon he became, very favorite, one of his favorite person. No, Akbar he would call Tansen to sing at any time also. At any time, whenever he he want that he call him to sing, even during the day also or at night also. Then he sometimes, often he would just walk into the Tansen house. Why? To hear him practice. What? To hear him practice, how he used to practice. No, to hear all this, he sometimes he go to Tansen's house also. He also gave him many presents. Akbar, he has given many presents to Tansen, and some of the courtiers, some of the ministers, some of the courtiers, they became jealous of Tansen, and they say that we shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined, till Tansen destroy. If Tansen is there in the court, then it would not be good for them. They talk about the Tansen. And one of the courtiers, whose name was Shaukat Mia, he said and had a very bright idea to destroy or to ruin Tansen. And he said, what idea he had? See, he said that they should make Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. They should make Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. And one of the other courtiers, he asked that why, what help we will get after we say or ask him to sing Raga Deepak, how it will ruin Tansen's life. Then he said that if Raga Deepak is properly sung, then it makes the air very hot. It makes the air very hot, and so that the singer is burnt into ashes. If he will sing Raga Deepak in a proper way, then the air, it becomes very hot, and he will burn to ashes. He will burn. And Tansen they know that he is a very good singer, and if he sings Raga Deepak, then definitely he will die, and they all will be rid of him. They will be rid of him. He will, and we will be rid of him. One of the this Shaukat Mia, he said. Now Shaukat Mia, one day he went to Akbar and said that they don't think Tansen is a great singer. They don't think that Tansen is a great singer. Then he said that we should take a test. We should take a test of Tansen by asking him to sing Raga Deepak, and only by then the greatest singer can the Raga Deepak, he said that only the greatest singer can sing Raga Deepak, and if he is the greatest singer in the court, then he can sing easily. So let take a taste, he said. Then the king Akbar, he knows that of course he can sing it. Tansen can sing it anything. Tansen can sing it anything. I can believe him. I have full faith on him, and I am so much impressed that he sings so well. And he said, Akbar said that this Raga Deepak also he can sing very well. Now Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. He knew that now they asked him to sing Raga Deepak, but he afraid. But he could not disobey the king also. Then he said, okay, very well, my lord, okay, but give me time to prepare myself. He is asking time to prepare himself. Then Tansen, he went home, and he had never been more downcast, and unhappy. He was never been so downcast, so thinking low, and he was so unhappy, and he had never been that. But after when he went home, he was so unhappy, and he said to his wife that he can sing Raga Deepak, there is no issue, but the heat it gives off after singing the Raga Deepak, the heat it gives off will not only set the lamp's light, it will also burn me to ashes. Not only it will give fire to a candle, but also it will burn him to ashes, he said to his wife. Then he had an idea. If someone at that moment sings Raga Meg, one more song, type of song, then if Raga Meg is sang at the same time and sing it properly, it will bring rain. It will bring what? It will bring rain if someone sing. Now Raga Deepak, it makes the air very hot, and Raga Meg, it bring the rain. And if this will sing by someone or somebody, then it will be rain, and perhaps he said that their daughters Saraswati and her friend Rupavati could do it very easily. He said he has given one suggestion to his that they can do it. So he taught the two girls to sing Raga Deepak. Then for 2 weeks, and they have been practicing day and night for 2 weeks. Then Tansen told that they should remember, they must wait till the lamps start burning. When after singing the Raga Deepak, the lamp will start burning. Then only they will start singing what? Raga Meg. They will start singing when these lamps will start burning. Then only they will sing. Then what it happened, my dear students, this part we will see in the next class. Okay, what it happened in the next class we will see, and I think in the next class we will finish this lesson also. So in the next class we will see. Okay, so today what we have learned, that today Tansen became a favorite of Akbar's court, and once he was asked to sing Raga Deepak, and Tansen asked his daughter and her friend to sing Raga Meg at the same time, and this was what we have learned today class. So in the next class we will finish these lessons. Okay, what you do, my dear students, you read this. I hope you are reading it. It's very nice. Then but don't stop reading, you just continue. Okay, so today this much only. Take care. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.